Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to understand one of the most important AWS services, that is EC2, which stands for Elastic Compute Cloud. Before we talk about EC2, let's first understand how things used to work earlier. Earlier, companies used something called on-prem servers. Now, what I mean by on-prem is, I simply mean physical servers, real machines kept inside an office or a data center. These physical servers come with a lot of problems. They're high in cost, they come with fixed standard configurations. Once you buy them, you're stuck with that size. Just after a few years, the hardware expires or becomes outdated. Because of all these limitations, managing servers becomes very difficult and expensive. And this is where exactly EC2 comes into picture. Before we jump into how EC2 works and all, we need to understand what is EC2. EC2 stands for Elastic Compute Cloud. So it is a virtual server provided by AWS Cloud Services. And this server runs in our Amazon data centers. You once rent the server, you can operate it like your own computer. And now with EC2, you don't have to go and buy a physical server. AWS provides you a service where you can rent a server. You choose what you need. Use it for long as you want, and you only pay for what you use. And now, no hardware, no maintenance headaches, just a server you control. Now, what can we do using this EC2? Using EC2, you can do multiple things. You can set up web servers, you can host websites, you can run your application servers, you can deploy your backend services, you can run your databases, you can run multiple tools and applications. Basically, if something can run on a computer, it can run on your EC2 as well. Now, you might be wondering how powerful is this EC2 instance, EC2 service provided by AWS. That's where our instance types come into picture. Think of it like this. If you have a small bag, you can fit only a few things. If you have a big bag, you can fit many things. EC2 works in the same way. You can choose how much CPU you want, how much RAM you need, what operating system you want. Based on your requirement, you pick the right size, whether it might be small, medium, or large. So this is a simple analogy I've explained you earlier as well. So EC2 gives you flexibility, control, and scalability without owning any physical server or doing any hardware management. So this is all about EC2 instance. So hope you all like this video. If you like this video, just put a nice comment which will make me motivated to do another videos. In our next video, I'll show you how to launch a EC2 instance. Give our security group maybe some application you can do on your EC2 instance. So maybe let's just start with basic. I'll explain you how to launch a EC2 instance. So that's all for this video. Hope you all understood what is a EC2 instance. I just wanted to keep it very simple and relatable. And in our next videos, you can dive into advanced topics so you can understand it more clear. I didn't want to dive into advanced topics and make this service look more complex. So I just put it very simple because I want to teach everything from scratch. So hope you all like this video. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe